Welcome to the soothing cosmos, where the wonders of the universe unfold in calm and captivating detail. Here, we journey beyond our world, exploring the mysteries of space, the beauty of distant planets, and the secrets written in the stars. Top 10 Mysterious Sounds of the Universe. When we think of space, we often imagine complete silence. After all, sound cannot travel in the vacuum of space. But the universe is far from quiet. Astronomers use radio telescopes, plasma wave detectors, and computer processing to convert cosmic signals into sound waves we can hear. The result is a collection of haunting, mysterious sounds that reveal the hidden activity of the cosmos. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 mysterious sounds of the universe, each one offering a glimpse into the strange and powerful forces shaping space. The Singing Comet, 67P/Churyumov, Gerasimenko. The Rosetta mission detected magnetic oscillations around the comet, which were turned into sound through sonification. The result? A strange, singing comet. Saturn's auroral radio emissions. The Cassini spacecraft captured radio emissions from Saturn's auroras. Once converted to audio, they sound like eerie, ghostly whistles. Plasma waves between Saturn and Enceladus. Cassini also recorded plasma waves traveling between Saturn and its moon Enceladus. When sonified, they create a surreal rushing sound. Lightning storms on Saturn, Great White Spot. During a massive storm, Cassini recorded radio pulses caused by lightning. Data were sped up so we could actually hear Saturn's thunder. Fast radio bursts, FRBs. FRBs are mysterious, millisecond-long radio blasts from deep space. When shifted into the audio range, they sound like sharp chirps or pings. Pulsar Beats. Pulsars, rotating neutron stars, emit regular pulses of radio waves. When converted to audio, they sound like a ticking clock or heartbeat. Voyager's interstellar plasma waves. When Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, it detected plasma oscillations outside the solar system. When converted to audio, they sound like a ghostly whistle in the void. The wow signal, 1977. Perhaps the most iconic unexplained signal, the wow signal was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio. Lasting 72 seconds, it was an unusually strong narrowband radio signal coming from the constellation Sagittarius. Gerasimenko, the astronomer who spotted it, famously wrote, "Wow," next to the printout. Despite many follow-up attempts, the signal was never detected again, leaving it one of the most tantalizing clues in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Kepler exoplanet data sonifications. Kepler 45b is an exoplanet discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, orbiting a small red dwarf star about 1,200 light-years away in the constellation Lyra. It belongs to a class of worlds known as hot Jupiters, giant planets that orbit very close to their stars, completing a full orbit in just a few days. By converting variations in its light curve, the tiny dips in starlight caused as the planet transits its star, into audible frequencies, scientists created an otherworldly soundscape. The result is a rhythmic, pulsing tone that reflects the planet's orbital motion. The sound of black hole GRS 1915 plus 105. GRS 1915 plus 105 is a stellar mass black hole about 36,000 light-years away in the constellation Aquila. What makes it remarkable is that astronomers detected quasi-periodic oscillations, X-ray bursts coming from matter spiraling into it. When converted into sound waves, these oscillations produce a deep, drum-like beat. Some scientists even called it the heartbeat of a black hole. What we're actually hearing is the material in the accretion disk heating up, vibrating, and being torn apart by gravity as it falls into the event horizon.